All right, guys, this is Mike at styleflip.com. Today, I'm going to give you a quick preview of the newest skin available at StyleFlip right now. It's the Akai MPC One. Akai MPC One skins available now at styleflip.com. Create and upload your own image right to our website. Create your own design. Make your unit look however way you want. With the click of the button, you can add the manufacturer default text back on to your design and select the colors. Check out styleflip.com. You create it online. We ship it worldwide right to you. You're able to install it, and the skins will last the life of your unit, and it's definitely gonna protect the unit from normal wear and tear and those little tiny scratches that you get on your units. The skin comes off clean years later, and it lasts longer than the life of the product. So there you go, styleflip.com, check us out. Upload your own design, start creating, share, like, and comment on this to let people know the Akai MPC One is now available at styleflip.com.